Hey, hello YouTube. Okay, so today we're going to be installing a over-the-range microwave. Um, so first thing that you want to do is take some measurements. You want to go lengthwise, up and down, and then you get the depth. So that's length, width, and then the height. Okay. And so once you get those measurements, you can order the right size microwave, which I've done ahead of time. Also, what I've done ahead of time is I've taken the template here, and the old one came with a bracket which I have removed. And so, come here right quick. Let me take this for a second. So I removed the old bracket here. And I've also come in here with a Yi trusty stud finder. And as you see the red light there, there's a bracket there. So I want to mark that, which I've done. Also, this concerns me because there's a lot of maybe it's a big piece of wood, but I know it starts like right about there. So I've marked that. And that's where they had the old stud holes, so they line up. Okay, next thing is I've also measured from here to here, which is 10 inches. I've done that. And so from here to here is also 10 inches. That's the drill hole. Also, same thing over here. Gives you a drill hole right there. Right there, that little circle, that's your drill hole. It says to drill, and the diameter should be 3/8, which I've got a 3/8. It might be a little bit bigger. And so these are the old ones from the old. And they already got the hole right here for Yi electrical connector. And I'm gonna have a little bit of clearance here, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but so now I'm gonna come in here. Right about there. Two. Here you go. Hold that. And come over here. So looks about right there. Now, I want to come to the bottom of this, and I want to put it kind of low so that I have clearance. And they have given us two wonderful new bolts. So that one, I think I'd like to put it right there. Yeah. So 10 millimeter. Baby, that's it. I probably should have put a washer on there. All right, so this one is right about there. Oh yeah, let's get it a little bit further. Right, that looks about good right there. Nice and flush. Get one more spin. Okay, these are the old ones. We got our Sharpie tape. And now, I'm just going to clean the top of this off. And so you probably want to get a friend to help you with this part if you don't. And so we're going to have someone come here and push it, set it up on here, up on this bracket. And you can bend this bracket here too, also forward. You can bend these to give you a little more clearance if you need so. And so you're going to put it here, tilt it back. I'm going to take down this template. We don't need this anymore. And we don't need this anymore. And then someone's gonna feed, we're gonna feed our electrical connector up through here. And then make sure that all this lines up right here. Okay. You can cut the tape. So I got some helpers right here. And so what we did is we just lift it up and we put it back on that little hinge and then tilt it back. So tilt it forward a little bit, guys. All right. So you can see the hole right there, up there. All right. And so I just went and started feeding my electrical, electrical wire through here. Okay. Then I got a little clearance right here. And you see I'm working my hand, working that in there. Okay. And you can see your screw right there. Then just gonna tighten it down. Okay. Here. Okay. All right. You guys can let it go, I think. Yeah. And see, I can let it down a little bit too. You know, like that. See, I can let it down. And I can take this gap out of here if I want to. Okay. And let's see. I guess I should have cleaned this out here. And you cut it for now. So as you can see, we got it working. We got power. Let me see that right quick. I just wanna. And so this is what we're looking at on top, right here. And power cord. Actually, I got a little. Pull that down a little bit. Take that slack out of there. Have a little slack right here. Cool. That's about it right there. Read the instruction manual, guys. It's really not that much. I use the templates. I tried to use as much of the old stuff as possible, but we had to drill new holes and stuff because they didn't line up with the old one. Like I said, just take your measurements, read the instructions. Thank you for watching the video, everyone. If I can do this, you can do this too. So, like and subscribe to the videos. Thank you for watching. Peace. Love y'all. Oh, so I forgot to mention that this microwave comes ready to be installed. So if it does not have a rear exhaust or a downward exhaust, you just put it in. But if it does, you're gonna need to unbolt the exhaust fan in the back and flip it to wherever your microwave should be vented. But if it does not have a vent, it's ready to install. Number 2, when you're done, just slide these in. Your little exhaust, your little grease fan ducts. There's one on both sides. Okay? All right. So, I thank you all for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the videos if you might find this helpful. I got a lot of other content coming, so you don't want to miss out on all the fun and excitement. Thanks, guys. Love you. Bye.